Continuing with more weather updates, now heavy rains continue to lash Telangana as well, throwing normal life out of gear. Rivers, streams, reservoirs are in spate, prompting officials to issue high alerts and also evacuate people from the low-lying areas. In Telangana, officials remain on high alert, in fact, for the next 72 hours, with holidays cancelled for the government staff. GHMC and Hydra have declared high alert in Hyderabad as well. Schools in several districts have been shut for about 2 days. In fact, in Suryapet, 5 gates of Musi have been lifted due to heavy inflows. Irrigation officials have been put on high alert by Minister Uttam Kumar Reddy in the state. Visuals on your screen from Telangana. Again, rivers have been swelling up due to continuous rainfall, due to which key routes have been blocked. In Warangal especially, a control room has been set up now as heavy rains are forecasted for the next 2 days as well in the state. At Kaleshwaram, the flood fury continues with all 85 gates of Merigara barrage open. In fact, 10 gates are open at Jurala project and 24 gates at Nagarjun Sagar, with the level currently at 589 feet. Visuals on your screen showing you the rescue operation. People from the low-lying areas have been shifted to safer areas. And gates of several dams have been opened as well. Now, several areas in the state received heavy rainfall, including Siddipet, Upalpalli, Chityal, Mulugu, Komaram. In fact, 12 villages in Komaram Bhim district have been cut off due to floods. Meanwhile, flooding has also hit SCCL open cast mines, affecting about 40,000 tons of coal production in the state. Now, viewers, here the Met Department has again warned of extremely heavy rainfall for the next 4 days. The TPCC chief has appealed to party workers to join relief efforts. Heavy rains have triggered traffic jam as well in several areas, including Murshidabad, Charminar, Uppal, Raidurgam, High-Tech City and Miapur as well. Several rivers have been flowing above the safe levels in the state. The Met Department has also issued a red alert for 5 districts, and political leaders including KTR, Revant Reddy and Kishan Reddy, they've all urged party cadres to assist the victims of flood in the state. The Power Department has also advised citizens to call 1912 for electricity issues, with over 160 electric ambulances on standby in the state. GHMC has also issued a red alert for the city, warning of heavy rain within the next few hours as well. In fact, Union Home Minister Kishan Reddy has also spoken to Home Minister Amit Shah here, seeking central aid for the state as well. This is the fury of monsoons at display.